Alright, we are back at Endgame Enhancements BioSync Academy, and we're going to talk to MAIA for a moment. So we click on Ask MAIA, and it gives you some options. You know, beta blockers, pathology of heart failure, walk me through peripheral IV insertion, what is the SBAR communication technique, take me NCLEX priority delegation rules. But we're going to ask MAIA something else, because we're going to see if Will It M.A.I.A. Can MAIA give us an explanation? So we asked, how do you fix a phone that won't stay charged? Why? Because why not? I mean, come on. All sorts of weird stuff. So it gives us step-by-step stuff. Check out the charger. Charging port is loose. Not bad. Want to see professional help immediately? We'll go to the top. Wow. Different charger cable. Possible tests. Flashlight. Looking at the port. Pretty cool idea. Yeah, fascinating enough. Yeah. Big long list of things. How about we ask something more? Let's put in there. I said an iPod 2. Most of you guys don't remember an iPod 2? Second gen iPod. I got one of those, playing with it early tonight. Worn out battery. Ooh, possibly. Man, it gives me a list again. Step by step, kind of nice. So yes, you can actually get MAIA to tell you how to do that, even though typically for medical purposes, medical class purposes, it's for educational stuff only, but luckily I have a charging cable for this thing. But yes, so Will It M.A.I.A. Gives me a lot of data. Should we ask, what if we ask how this relates to nursing? To see what it says. Just curiosity. I like how slowly it types it out to you and goes, look, we can give it a little thing. Then it goes, bam, here's everything. So let's see how it relates to nursing. Vital signs look okay, then it crashes. Wow. Infection, surgery. That is a good relation right there. Power source, hardware, software. Structural issues. Wow. So you don't realize I kind of enjoy the MAIA. Just to throw it out there and see what MAIA gives me back some days. Short-term stabilization action, safety red flags, nursing priorities, bulging battery. I never thought bulging battery. My device looks better than that. Chest pain, decreased lock, oxygen dropping. Wow. Good point. Good point. Guess you could turn to NCLEX style question, but not tonight. That is all I have for you on Will It M.A.I.A. This is actually currently the free version that we have online. That is all. Have a nice night. Remember to like and subscribe.